Okay, so this video is going to show you how to edit the Around the Table page. What you're going to do, once you're in the back end on the dashboard, you're going to go over here to Pages and then click on All Pages. Then you're going to go to Around the Table, go to Edit. So if you're wanting to update somebody's bio, like these ones that say bio to follow, all you're going to do is click on this little pencil icon and then delete everything except for the first letter and start typing, and then go back and delete that first one because it has some settings in each of these on the back end with the font and everything. If for some reason you mess up and accidentally delete it all, you can actually, I'll show you how to fix that, but let me go back here. Go ahead and edit the information you want to edit. Once you're done, click Save Changes. But let's say you accidentally delete that and the styling's gone. So what you can do is go down here and click on this little clone, and then go hover over here with your left mouse and then just hold it and drag it up here and drop it in, and then just start over. So it's pretty simple to edit those. If for some reason you want to add somebody new, depending on where you want to add them, if you want to put them at the top or the bottom, it's going to be the same process. All you're going to do is you're going to go over here, click Clone This Role. Now if you want to add them at the top, you're going to want to use the top one. If you're wanting to add them at the bottom, you're going to go down to the bottom one and click the Clone button there, and then it'll add one underneath. Once you've done that, you're going to go over here, click on the little pencil icon. This is where you're going to add their image. So you're going to delete this image. Click on this little plus icon. Go to Upload. And then you're going to upload the file for their image. So you can do it one of two ways. You can either drag and drop. If you were to open the file, click on the left mouse and hold it and just drag it over. So this is all blue, and then you just let go and it'll automatically upload. Or you can edit, go through the search like you would a normal, anything that you're trying to upload. Just click on this, and then you can search through the images on your computer. Once you've done that, I have these set up to be 316 by 427. Just to show you, some of these images that you sent me were flipped around in different sizes. Whose was like that? I'm trying to figure out which one was like that. One of these was. Two of them were. We'll just upload Bob's. Okay, so let's say Bob's image was sideways. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here where it says Edit Image on the right hand side. Click on that. And then you're going to see these little boxes that show little arrows. If you were to click on that, it's actually going to rotate this image. So you can rotate it to whatever way you need it to get to where it's straight up and down. And then you click Save. The other thing I noticed with some of the images you sent me is they were really big. So I have these set up to be 300 wide. So what you would do is you would go over here where it says Scale Image. In this first box, you would just put 300, and it's going to automatically scale the other side to be 398. Once you're done with that, just click Scale, and then Update to save it. And that'll automatically update that image. If you had to edit the image, you would just close that out, and then go back to the page to set the image. Make sure that little corner on the right-hand side is checked. And then click over here on the right hand side, Set Image. And then you should see the new image right here, and then click Save Changes. Sometimes if you had to turn the image around, you may still see it sideways here, but when you upload it and click Save, it's going to fix it over here. So click Save Image, and that's going to update that image there. And then again, to change the name, it's pretty simple. Just go in here and change the name that you need to change, and then the bio information. If for some reason you want to delete a row or delete somebody, you just go over here to the X and delete it. As always, with any changes to any pages, you just go over here to Update and click Update, and that will update any changes you made.